Hello, welcome again to this week's episode of Outlaw Eco Build. Here's Nick securing the various layers of waterproofing and root barrier on our green roof. This is the only part that we didn't cover in our last episode, so if you want to know more about that, how we constructed this green roof with the succulents, you can check out our last episode from last week and you can see all of that information there. This is just the wood that's securing down all those layers of root barrier and various waterproofing layers that will trap the layers there. And then from the outside, as you can see here, he just took a sharp blade, I think it's like a Stanley blade, and just cut them off at the edge. So this is trapping those in there, that they're not going to go anywhere, that it's all secure, and that we have a nice neat edge there, as you can see. And here is the view of the inside, the finished room. Again, if you've seen already the episode from last week, you know we painted this with the lime wash. We took a whole day to scrub the floor in there after we were done, which I was really looking forward to throughout this build, since we laid the tiles and still had all the render and the cob and the lime plaster and the lime paint. So this floor got super dirty and I couldn't wait to uncover it and see how it looked. So yeah, that's all been scrubbed clean and it was ready for furniture. So here we are, moving in Noah's furniture. He's got a new bed and a nice desk, and he's super happy to have his own space now. He's 12, so was really ready for it. Since we've been building the house, the boys there have been sharing one big room, which used to be the truck. If you check our early episodes, you can understand the situation there. We built in the box from the truck into the house. So there's Noah's room. He's very, very happy with it. Although he has already moved out for the weekend because my sister is visiting. So yeah, for that reason, it is only a quick update this week because we have taken a little break, some time out at the beach to surf and play with the kids. And yeah, the room's complete to a point that Noah can stay in there and we can use it for our guest home. So stay tuned next week. We're going to tell you about the external render. We need to still render all these external walls. We've still got these mud walls right now, but we're not expecting any rain anytime soon. So we're taking a breather after a really intense 2 months and enjoying some time with my sister who is visiting and the kids during the holidays, and we're going to get back on this next week. However, as promised, I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. So we've been working on a way that we can share this knowledge with you guys in person and also online. And I am working hard on an online course which will be available to anybody, anywhere in the world. But what's most exciting, what I wanted to tell you and what I was telling you about last week, is sometime in the end of this year. The dates are yet to be confirmed, but we're aiming for sometime at the end of September or the beginning of October. We have a project here in the south of Portugal, very close to our home, where our neighbour would like to build a stable for her horses, and she's super excited about doing this with Earthbag Build. So we would like to use this as an opportunity to offer an in-person learning experience over 2 weeks for 4 people. It's only a small group that we have space for, and it's only a small project. But this would be an invitation for you guys to come down here, stay not with us here on the land, but with us very close on our neighbour's land, half a kilometre to the beach, in this beautiful southern Portugal location, which I of course am not going to put online. But if you would like to know more about this, or if you would like to take part, please shoot me an email. You can also leave a comment and I'm going to send you a link to the email there, or however you want to get in contact, and I'll send you the email. But get in touch with us that we can put you on the mailing list, and as soon as those dates are confirmed we can let you know. And yeah, hopefully we can get this together, and as a team we're going to work on taking that building all the way from the foundations to the bag filling, to the bag laying and the tampering, the construction, every part of it. If all goes well, we're hoping to construct the small stable for the horses from beginning to end. So you're going to learn all about also the cob, the external renders, how we construct the roof, everything. And you're going to be there on site with us, so if you have any questions, you can just shoot right there. This would be a perfect experience for somebody who's looking to build their own earthbag house and would like to know all those ins and outs, the things that you could really only learn from experience. Hopefully we can save you learning some of the things that we learned the hard way. And yeah, we're super excited about that. So if you would like to join us here in the south of Portugal, if you are fit and able-bodied and up to the task of constructing an earthbag house, we would love to invite you down here to the south of Portugal to help us in person to construct a whole stable for our lovely neighbour. All the details will be available. Shoot me an email, drop a comment, however it's easy for you, and I'll get in touch. As always, if anybody has any questions or needs any help with their construction, their project, if we can help you in any way, please let us know. Yeah, we'll see you guys next week.